What's up, family? Welcome to Ddin'S Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for my black bean soup, you're going to have, of course, black beans, multicolored peppers. I got the red, yellow, and orange ones, 2 onions, garlic, Himalayan pink, onion and garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, Tajin seasoning, and cumin. And you want to season that to taste. To me, this is a soup to have fun with. And with that said, family, let's get to creating. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take your peppers, your garlic, and your onion, and you want to chop them down to this. Now we got the tedious part of our job done. Let's get to making our black bean soup. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and pour in our black beans. And you want to set your stovetop to medium to high heat, more towards the medium. All right. Want to add in our multicolored peppers. And I want to emphasize multi. That's what makes it look beautiful and great, having them different colored peppers. You want to add in our garlic and onion. And you want to give that a stir. Mix that in evenly. Look how beautiful that looks. All right. We're going to cover that for about 10 minutes till you see it steaming. Look at that. Keep it stirring. Stir some more. Okay, quick facts. Black beans are a staple in much of southern Mexico and the one associated with classic Brazilian feijoada and Cuban frijoles negros. Black bean history. These beans date back at least 7,000 years when they were a staple food in the diets of Central and South Americans. They remain a popular food in many households in the Americas. While the black bean is native to the Americas, it has become popular around the world. Pretty cool. Now we're going to put in our black pepper, our onion powder, our garlic powder, and just season lightly, season to taste. Add in our Tajin seasoning. This is optional. I like to use this in my black bean soup. Our cayenne pepper, just a couple dashes. And our Himalayan pink. Last but not least, your cumin. Remember, your cumin is the important essential to this black bean soup. This is going to taste better than Panera Bread black bean soup, I guarantee. Alright? And we're going to get this, mixing this in evenly. Once we got that done, let's go ahead and cover this up for another 5 to 6 minutes. Yes. Go ahead and stir that seasoning in. And this is it, you guys. Simple. And as you guys know, up here in the Northern Hemisphere, it's getting cold. This is a great meal as well. As you guys see, yes, I did cut my finger. Doing the simplest thing, opening up my black beans. Be careful, you guys. Take your time. Okay. Go ahead and let this cook down a little bit. And let's give it a taste. Season the taste, all right. I'm gonna add a little bit more cumin pepper to that. Mix this in evenly. Look how beautiful that looks, you guys. It looks great. We're going to cover this for another 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. And at this time, you can turn down the heat. Great. And we're gonna let that simmer. Let that cool down a little bit. It is hot. It will burn your mouth. You want to be careful. Look at that, though. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Or can I say, bowl this up? Okay. Look at those colors. Presentation is everything. Looks great. Add some more juice into that. Yes. I like to garnish mine with that taco blend shredded cheese. This is optional. I like to add 3 dollops of sour cream. You can add more if you wish. And you guys already know it. I'm about to come with our chives as the ending of this garnish. Yes. Look at that. Let's go ahead and dig in. Now that was smooth. Hey you guys, thank you for joining me again today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell in bottom right. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. Until next time, peace.